Welcome back, guys. So, this video is, it's about the trees. The trees. Yep. Trees. Please protect the trees that you want to continue living. Protect them with a thing where the cicadas cannot get to it. Like, see those trees over there? Those could be too big to fit in a thing. So, those trees, it'll be the end for them, possibly. And even more trees will be with the cicada outbreak. So, I don't know about bushes. I don't know about the bushes. Hey! Whoa! I don't know about the bushes, but the trees, yep. Like this tree right over here. It's going to be infested and will likely die. So if you want your tree, if your tree is small than these normal, if your tree is smaller than that, because that's a huge tree, but if your tree is like 3 times smaller than that, you may be able to fit it in a bag where you could protect it from the cicadas when you could still water it and it could still get rain, but the cicadas won't be able to break through it. But any tree you see, and if you do not hear the cicadas yet, but you know you're in the outbreak area, then protect your trees now, because this is the final warning. The cicadas are coming very soon, maybe even within this month. It's May, what day is it? It's 11:48 a.m., May 12th. May 12th, 2024. I think that the cicadas will be out within May 20th. But that's just an estimate that I'm saying. I'm just guessing that guesstimate. But if my estimate is right, then soon it could possibly be too late to protect your trees. And for some areas in Illinois, it is. Like possibly ours. So this video was made to ensure your safety of your trees, that like they're saved from, because this tree infested. Those trees infested. Those trees infested. And if they're not protected soon, they're going to be infested. By the end of this month, they could be doomed. So please cover up your trees if you really care about them. And if you don't care about them, you wouldn't be covering up the trees. Thank you for watching this. And remember, the cicadas are coming. They're under the ground right now. Watch. Look at this. See that? They're under there. Watch this. See the dirt? See that dirt? Under there are the cicadas. And they're coming up from under the ground. They're going to be flying everywhere. Now, I do know one day where there's definitely going to be cicadas. And doesn't everyone? Well, it's going to be the 4th of July, obviously. Last year we had cicadas. The year before that, I think we had cicadas. This year is going to be the worst yet. So, just immediately cover up the trees. And if your trees are too big, well, the only way to save them is hope. If you don't have any hope, your trees will be infested and doomed. So good luck, guys. And I hope that you cover up the trees that you really want protected. If you love a tree that you have, and if it's not too big, and if it fits a bag, like a cover-up bag for the cicadas, cover it up. Buy it and cover it. It's simple. There's like 3 steps. Buy it, place it, customize it. Done. 3 steps. Simple. All under the sidewalks, all under the grass, all under the dirt, all under the streets. They're coming by the end of this month. They're coming up from under the ground. They're coming up from under this ground, and once one is up, that one is going to attract a bunch of more cicadas. And all those cicadas attract more. Oh, where did it go? Oh, right there. Oh, wow. And more. And then the ground will have no more cicadas in them. But that's until cicada season is over. Because once cicada season is over, they'll be back on the ground, waiting to come up after more years. And the same thing will repeat. I don't know if it's like every 22 years, but that's not what's happening in the 21st century. That's for sure. Anyways. Bye, guys. I hope that you protect your trees and bushes if they go in that. Bye.